Hi, and welcome to WaggMore Pet Boutique and Bakery, located in the Center Business District of Sparta, New Jersey. We opened our doors in 2017 to provide you and your dogs the ultimate shopping experience. With open arms, we welcome you into our store filled with freshly made treats and items that you will not find in a typical box store. From our fresh bakery to our seasonal items year-round, this is something for both you and your four-legged ones to leave happy with. We hope to see you soon, Chris and Toby. Hi guys, welcome back to part 2 of our easy do-it-yourself dog treat video for the shelf-stable cupcakes that we did on our last video. Today we're going to be frosting them and get them all set for your four-legged ones. We have all our mini cupcakes all dried out and ready to be frosted. We're going to need a mixing bowl with some spoons, and we're using our Pastries for Pets Safe Yogurt Frosting. Pastries for Pets is nice enough to give us the instructions with the purchase of any size of their yogurt frosting. We're going to need a half a cup of our dry mix. We're going to put that into our mixing bowl. Next, we're going to need 1 tablespoon and some water. We're going to go ahead and add in 1.5 tablespoons of water into your yogurt frosting mixture. Now that we have our water mixed in with our powdered yogurt, we're going to grab our spoon. We're going to go ahead and mix for a few minutes, and it will be more consistent, and it's actually going to look like a pancake batter. And once it's thick enough, we're going to go ahead and start frosting. Grab your first cupcake. We're going to go ahead and, optional, you can use a brush to put your yogurt frosting on top. We're just going to take a spoon, pour some on in the middle, and spread it around. We're going to make sure not to go too high so it doesn't overflow. And Pastries for Pets has awesome sprinkles. Today we're going to be using the Pearl Whites, completely safe for dogs, and we also have our vegan, no sugar added colored rainbow sprinkles. We're going to go ahead and top them on while it's still tacky. And our cupcakes we're going to let dry for about 24 hours with the yogurt frosting. It does take longer to dry than a normal frosting because there's no sugar in it. If you want to take it a step further with your cupcakes, you can go ahead and apply another half a cup of the yogurt frosting with the 1.5 tablespoons. And Pastries for Pets also has food coloring, completely safe for dogs. You can go ahead and mix the powder of your choice into the mix, and I would recommend a piping bag. And since we're getting closer to the fall, we're going to be starting our Halloween cupcakes.